Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a clock from cardboard. First, gather a sturdy piece of cardboard, about 2 millimeters thick, a precise craft knife, a reliable ruler, and a sharp pencil. You will also need a complete clock mechanism, typically sold as a kit, along with its corresponding hour, minute, and second hands. Choose a comfortable, well-lit workspace to begin your creative project. Begin by drawing a perfect circle onto your cardboard using a compass or a large round object, aiming for diameter of about 8 to 10 inches. Carefully cut out the circle with your craft knife, ensuring a smooth, even edge all around. This circular piece will form the main face of your clock, so precision here is important. Next, find the exact center of this cardboard circle and mark it clearly. Now, it is time to mark the clock's numbers or indicators on your circular cardboard base. You can use a ruler and pencil to divide the circle into 12 equal sections for the hours, placing the number 12 at the top. Consider drawing small dots or short lines for each minute mark, adding intricate detail to your design. Feel free to use stencils or markers to personalize your clock face creatively. Carefully make a small hole, exactly the size of your clock mechanism's shaft, through the center mark of your clock face. Insert the mechanism from the back, ensuring it fits snugly, then secure it with the provided washer and nut on the front. Attach the hour, minute, and second hands in their correct order, pushing them gently onto the shaft. Finally, insert one AA battery into the mechanism and watch your new cardboard clock come to life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.